On June 12, 2025, tragedy struck Indian skies. Air India flight AI-171, a Boeing 7878 Dreamliner, crashed just moments after takeoff from Ahmedabad Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. The aircraft was en route to London Gatwick. On board were 242 people, including passengers, pilots, and crew. Only one person survived. This devastating accident has shaken the aviation world, not just because of the loss of life, but because it marks the first fatal crash involving the Boeing 7878, one of the most advanced commercial aircraft flying today. So, how could this happen? Let's break down what we know so far and what this means for the future of Boeing, Air India, and global aviation safety. The Boeing 7878 Dreamliner is known for innovation. Introduced in 2011, this long haul wide body aircraft was designed for fuel efficiency, comfort, and reduced environmental impact. Built with 50% composite materials, the Dreamliner consumes up to 20% less fuel than its predecessors and features quieter, more efficient engines like the Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 and GE Genex. Passengers often praise its large, electronically dimming windows, improved cabin pressure, and higher humidity, all of which contribute to reduced jet lag. But beneath this high-tech exterior, deeper concerns have long lingered. At 1:39 p.m. IST, flight AI-171 took off from runway 23 in Ahmedabad. The aircraft quickly climbed, reached just 625 to 825 feet in altitude. Seconds later, a mayday call was issued, then silence. The plane crashed into the Meghni Nagar neighborhood, a densely populated area just northeast of the airport. A fireball erupted, smoke blanketed the skyline. Emergency responders rushed to the scene. 12 fire brigades were dispatched. Rescue crews combed through the debris. Initial reports confirmed over 260 fatalities, including passengers, crew, residents on the ground. Former Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani was declared dead in the crash. The only survivor, a British man seated near an emergency exit, who escaped after the aircraft reportedly split into two. Miraculous and baffling. Crashes during takeoff are rare in modern aviation. Experts say this points to a catastrophic failure, mechanical, human, or possibly security related. Air India confirmed the aircraft was a 7878, registration VTA and B, delivered in 2014. As per protocol, India's Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau is now leading the inquiry. The US National Transportation Safety Board and the UK Air Accidents Investigation Branch will also assist. The black boxes, the flight data, and cockpit voice recorders are being analyzed to understand the final seconds of the flight. But answers could take months, even years. This crash couldn't have come at a worse time for Boeing. The American aerospace giant has been battling safety controversies for years. Most recently, whistleblower John Barnett, a former quality manager, was found dead in March 2025 from an alleged self-inflicted gunshot wound. He had publicly accused Boeing of installing substandard parts in 787 aircrafts and claimed that up to 25% of emergency oxygen systems were faulty. Before him, Sam Salepur, another former engineer, warned that fuselage sections on the 787 were improperly fastened, potentially compromising long-term structural integrity. Both claims were denied by Boeing, but investigations are going on. Add to that the 737 MAX disasters in 2018 and 19, two crashes, 346 lives lost, a global grounding, and a $2.5 billion settlement. And just this year, a 737 MAX 9 suffered a door plug blowout mid-air, leading to another FAA audit. Following the American crash, Boeing shares dropped nearly 8% in pre-market tradings. The FAA has revoked Boeing's self-certification privileges, signaling a major shift towards external oversight. Boeing CEO Dave Calhoun has announced he'll step down by year's end. Meanwhile, in India, Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu is overseeing the response, and Prime Minister Modi has ordered a full scale federal investigation. Condolences poured in from Air India and international leaders, but many are now demanding accountability and action. For the families of those lost in flight AI 171, no technical explanation will undo the pain. But the investigation must answer one fundamental question: how did the most advanced jet that Boeing has ever built fail so catastrophically, barely a minute into flight? Until the cause is determined, speculation helps no one. What's needed now is transparency, rigorous investigation, and industry wide reform. The crash of Air India Flight AI 171 isn't just a tragedy for India, it's a wake up call for the global aviation industry. Because in a world that trusts machines to carry millions safely each day, trust must be earned, not just through technology, but through integrity, vigilance, and the willingness to learn from even the darkest moments. Stay safe. Thank you for watching.